Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable touch and hold spacebar for cursor control function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for general management options menu. Next we need to go to Samsung keyboard settings. Then we need to scroll down to swipe, touch and feedback option. And here we have touch and hold spacebar function. So here we have few options that we can change. We can have no action, cursor control and voice input. So we are interested in enabling cursor control. So the middle option, as you can see here, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.